Ladies and gentlemen, we are all in the same boat. Let's realize this. Let's use our time well. Be calm, be positive, be responsible, be careful. We will come out of this together. Friends, namaste. This is the traditional and popular way of greeting people in India. And now it has become the most preferred and hygienic way of greeting people all over the world. But what does namaste mean? Let me share with you what I know. Namaste is a form of respect. Namaste means I bow to the divinity within you. It means I honor the place in you where the entire universe resides. I honor the place in you where lies your love, your joy, your peace, your truth, and your uniqueness. I honor the place in you where if you are in that place in you and I am in that place in me, there is only one of us. Namaste. See, I first heard this explanation of Namaste when I was a kid and I loved it. But I was a little bit confused. What is this? You are in that place, I am in this place. But now, with social distancing, I understand what it means for you to be in that place, me to be in this place. But that's more on a lighter note. If we go a little deeper into what we mean by this, we need to understand that the need is to go beyond the illusion of exclusivity, to embrace the reality of inclusivity. So, which means we need to transcend the I and accept the reality that it is all about us. So it is not the time to be selfish. Selfishness will not make you happy. You have freedom, but that freedom is a responsibility because each one of us can make such a huge difference to everyone else, both negatively and positively. See, I'm not asking you to dissolve your identity. I'm asking you to expand your identity. Because when you expand your identity, you don't only care for yourself, but you care for others. You care for your family. You care for your community. You care for your country. You care for your world. And if you don't, the results can be disastrous. See, it is not about developing compassion in you. It is about having clarity. Because this is a reality. If you realize that who you are affects others and who others are affect you, you will automatically be compassionate. You will automatically be careful. See, there's this phrase in Sanskrit called Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the world is one family. Let me share with you a story. There was this ferry boat that used to take people across from one side of the river to the other side for a small fee. And there were different passengers who came on and they paid their fee, they sat in the boat and they went to the other side of the river. Now there was this one guy who got on this boat who was drunk. Now when he was drunk, he paid his fee, he got on the boat, he sat on one side and he took out a knife. And he started making a hole in the base, the floor of the boat and chipping away with his knife. And the other passengers, they looked at him, they were alarmed and they said, "Hey, what's wrong with you? Are you stupid? You're going to drown us." He said, "Listen, don't interfere with what I do. This is my freedom. I paid for my seat and this is my side of the boat. I can do whatever I want." The poor fool did not realize that they were all in the same boat. Ladies and gentlemen, we are all in the same boat. Let's realize this. Let's use our time well. Be calm, be positive, be responsible, be careful. we will come out of this together. Thank you.